Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to send a one-time viewed photo on WhatsApp web from your PC using the latest update. This feature lets you send images that can only be viewed once by the recipient, adding an extra layer of privacy. Let's get right into it. First, open WhatsApp web on your PC by going to web.whatsapp.com. Once you're logged in and your chats are open, enter the chat where you want to send the one-time viewed photo. Next, look for the plus icon in the bottom left corner of the chat window, right next to the text input field. Click on the plus icon to bring up the attachment options. From the menu that pops up, select Photos and Videos. This will allow you to browse your computer and select the photo you want to send. Once you've found the image you want to send, click on it to select it, and then click Open. The photo will be added to your message, and you'll see a preview in the chat window. Now, before sending the photo, you'll want to activate the One-Time View feature. To do this, look for the icon with the number 1 on it. This icon represents the One-Time View option. Click on this icon to enable it. Once you've clicked the icon, the photo will be set to disappear after the recipient views it just once. After they've opened the image, it won't be visible in the chat anymore. Finally, click *, OK to confirm, and then click *, send. Your photo will now be sent as a one-time view photo, and the recipient will only be able to open it once before it disappears. And that's it. You've just learned how to send a one-time viewed photo on WhatsApp web from your PC. It's a great way to share images privately, knowing they won't be saved or viewed multiple times. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.